Hello, and welcome to our very important discussion today on cholesterol metabolism, particularly LDL receptor metabolism, low density lipoprotein receptor metabolism. What is the relationship between the liver cell hepatocytes and the metabolism of cholesterol esters, triglycerides, and the packaging and the preparations of these lipoproteins and delivering them to the fat tissue, the adipose tissue, as well as the blood vessels, and delivering the fat tissue, and delivering the cholesterol, which is a form of energy, to the skeletal muscles. And then we're going to look in depth. We're going to look in depth on all the processes that unfold inside the cell. How does the endoplasmic reticulum participate in the making of the LDL receptors? And how does the cell regulate the synthesis of the LDL receptors on the extracellular plasma membrane? And how um, your cell is able to endocytose and bring internally the cholesterol that accumulates in the bloodstream. So let's take everything step by step. So what do we see here? So here we see a liver cell. I'm pointing to a liver cell, and these are the hepatocytes. Yellow represents triglycerides. We will talk about what those are. Triglycerides. Triglycerides are in yellow. In red, we have cholesterol esters. In red, you have cholesterol esters. So we identified the liver cell, and the liver cell bursts out and provides us with a complex known as VLDL. We will get into that, but for now, we're identifying our players. So VLDL is the very first component that comes out of the liver cell. And it's a mixture of yellow and red, with more yellow than there is red. That is very important. There's more yellow circles, more yellow balloons, more yellow blebs, more yellow bubbles than there are red bubbles. So red stands for cholesterol ester, while yellow stands for triglycerides. And that is the reason why we call them very low density lipoproteins, because they have more ratio, more proportion of yellow, more proportion of triglycerides than do they ever have red. Later on, that's going to reverse. So we're going to see a complex